Welcome to World's Strongest Engines, where Indians go to the park. The losing side would fall to the park. Oh, I love parks! Yay! Well, we're just watching. Oh, we're just watching. Oh, oh, oh. First up, Streamline Thomas versus Charlie. Oh, Charlie! Huge upset. Oh, I can't reach the monkey bars. I can't reach those monkey bars. Aw. Up, Diesel versus Spencer. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Whoa! Can somebody stop the swing? I'm down here. Down here. Down here. Down here. Next up, Racing Percy versus Harvey. Wee! Right here. Do you see me? Hey! 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 Next up, Proteus versus Racing Percy. Redo. Never mind, Proteus is going. I'm in a sandbox. Harvey versus Proteus. Proteus, a big upset. Whoa! Wee! Oh, it's a house. It's a food house. Wee! 70 finals. Proteus versus Victor. Oh my gosh! Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Where am I? I'm on the crawl. Uh-oh. No. Next up, Proteus versus Spencer. The final round. Let's go. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? No. No way. No one told me it was windy. Whoa. This is never gonna be over. It's a seesaw. Ooh. Whoa! I want to get off. See? Proteus is the winner on the first ever competition.